Yamaha is preparing to release a new color for the big brother of the Yamaha XSR155. Yes, the motorcycle is the 2025 XSR700 ABS, which will be released in the Japanese market and introduce its latest premium color. With a 689 cubic centimeters engine, ABS, and a combination of vintage styling and contemporary technology, Yamaha has launched its latest powerful motorcycle, the 2025 Yamaha XSR700 ABS. This motorcycle boasts advanced features that allow you to enjoy an extraordinary riding experience. The 2025 Yamaha XSR700 ABS seems to be the solution for motorcycle enthusiasts who want a classic look but still have modern features. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. This mid-range retro sport motorcycle features a distinctive 70s style. Embedding the Faster Sons philosophy, Yamaha presents a motorcycle that combines classic retro design with modern engine technology and features. With a few minor updates, the Yamaha XSR700 retains its original characteristics as a neo-retro motorcycle. This motorcycle is very agile and powerful, making it suitable for everyday riding or casual touring. The Yamaha XSR700 ABS is certainly different from the rest. Its round headlight, flat, tuck-and-roll seat, and simple, round tank give it a strong classic feel. However, this doesn't mean it's outdated. No matter how old-fashioned its design, this bike is based on the proven durable Yamaha MT-07 platform. Therefore, its engine is certainly not without its flaws. The exterior may be old-fashioned, but its underbelly packs a powerful punch that's ready to take riders on the road at any time. This engine has a maximum torque of 67 Nm at 6,500 RPM and is capable of producing around 73.4 horsepower at 8,750 RPM. The 6-speed transmission ensures quick and smooth gear shifting. This bike features an electronic fuel injection system and meets 5 Euro Plus emission standards, making it more powerful and efficient. It's perfect for those who frequently use their motorcycle every day but want the best performance. The color options also perfectly complement the retro feel. Available in Legend Red, Heritage White, and Matte Black, all perfect for those who like to stand out on the road.